Good evening friends, welcome to today's video on market talk for 24th June. So today it is a clear bear attack. So let us see what happened today and we'll see what are the contents we are going to learn for the day also. So daily disclaimer, this video whatever the views I am presenting here is not suggested for trading. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any trade. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. My channel myself not responsible for any trades taken and loss incurred by you on these views. So today what not we are going to see normal topics, but today we are going to learn something new, very interesting and exciting. I'm sure many of you would have not seen this contents and it's going to drive you crazy. Every day will not be strategy, but this is different macro strategy actually. Okay, so for those who are bearish and bullish, both need to see this very clearly. Okay, it'll be inside this video. Please go through this video and don't skip anything. And many of you ask for that if they want to start the income strategy now, how I can start. So we'll just tell you about that also now in this video. So starting with the Nifty overview. So as we explained in the last few videos, the Nifty is in the raising channel only, and currently the support is around 9,900, 10,000 levels, and the resistance at around 10,500, 10,600. Today exactly Nifty made a high of 10,553, which is 61.8% retracement, and started moving down. So, and we made a bearish engulfing candlestick. Normally this is a bearish pattern on the topping side. Tomorrow if you break this today's low, then it will be a follow-up trade we will take from the short side. Else it could be a trend reversal. Most of the times Nifty and Bank Nifty do not follow the patterns what technical still. So always it traps the majority of people, because there are a lot of traders are involved in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So everybody knows about the bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, triple top, triple bottom, everything everybody know. So market operators play in a different way, which they want to fool around. So you saw the page industry result also. Everybody is telling about the very bad result, but market went up. Page industry went up today by 8%. So you need to read in between the lines while trading the market, particularly Nifty and Bank Nifty. And today, in case of Nifty income strategy, why we made changes also we'll see discuss. Today the option pain moved from 10,200 to 10,400 very swiftly. So I thought that today we might give a breakout about 10,500. So that's the reason I just shifted my short position 10,200 put 2 lots to 10,400 put. So that's one of the reason actually, because we have to respect the market. We cannot trade against the market. Market may give a breakout or may give a fast breakout or may not give a breakout. If you see, the trend channel was clearly indicating that we can touch almost 10,600, 10,700 also, but we reversed it before that. So always we respect the market levels and then trade. Never trade against the market. Market is supreme. So coming to the power of 2. So I've been telling also last time, yesterday also I told you that whenever the trend of both Nifty and Bank Nifty comes together and gives the same signal, then you will go for the trending move. So today if you see here around 12 o'clock, Bank Nifty already came, give a sell signal. Just let me just show you also, because if you see 12 o'clock already we gave 11:45 we get sell signal, but Nifty has not given a sell signal. So what happened? Then 12:45 Bank Nifty moved up. So it was a trap. Then around 115, 120 Nifty gave sell signal. Here if you see here around 145, here also Nifty gave sell signal. So coordinately the Nifty and Bank Nifty gave sell signal around 145, and that's the time the trending move started. So always remember, anything, whatever the parameters you see, Nifty and Bank Nifty both, you need to ensure that the movement happens together. Unless otherwise you don't take a trending move. Okay, yesterday it was not happened like that. Yesterday Nifty was keep moving up, the sell signal not triggered, Bank Nifty triggered, and then last 1 hour it gave big up move on the upside. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty was in a consolidation zone. We saw that before, 1,500 points. As expected yesterday, it is now retesting the breakout area. So exactly we are near the breakout area. There is high chance that we may reverse from here, because most probably because we tried, we almost tested the 22,000 level, 21,000 levels, 2,500 levels almost 3 times. Now we gave a breakout. there is a high probability that we may not go below this level. We made one low here, and then we made one more low. Unless we saw a lower low, the market is an uptrend only. So this is called Dow theory. So till we don't break this low, then we have to keep our position on the upside only for a view of 23,000, 24,000 target. So target is still alive. We will see how it comes around. Today the option pain also moved very wildly. It was around 21,600, 700, then moved to all the way 22,200, 22,300. Then at the close it closed at 21,600. So the option pain is very important. This is a panic move, because before any trending move comes, the option pain, the option sellers were the first to cover their positions. So always keep a track of the option rating, strike PCR. These are the things which will show you whether trend is reversing immediately. Nothing else will show you the trend reversal. But we can keep our targets 23,000, 24,000 open, because the consolidation zone breakout is there. Unless otherwise we saw a breakout below, breakdown below 19,000, the target is alive. Today Bank Nifty also gave a bearish engulfing pattern. Let us see whether this works out or not tomorrow, because tomorrow being expiry day, nothing technical works, everything works based on the big operators what they are expecting to do. So power of 2, we saw the sell signal came here, the rest whipsaw. Most of times just take note that whipsaw comes in Bank Nifty most of times. Nifty it is very less. Okay, just to keep a note of this. So certain things are you need to program in your brain, so that I don't know what happened. Certain things you need to program in such a way that you do not write and remember this. Okay, certain things you have to program in your brain, so that when you're trading, automatically things evolve. So tomorrow these are levels. So as expected, I wanted you to also make a chart and know what is the long breakout, short breakout. Today the Bank Nifty gave a short breakout and then went below that, but Nifty was hesitating to go below the short breakout. So for tomorrow these are the levels. Tomorrow long breakout comes around 10,450 for long breakout. So any 10,400 call or 10,500 call is one will give good returns tomorrow. Similarly on the short breakout, 10,200 put or around 10,150 put can give you good returns in case of put buying. And then similarly, if the spot comes to around 200, 220, 220, 220 levels and then reverses from here, then you try to get a 10,250 or 10,300 call also. So this is a place where you have to see whether reversal is happening or not. If not reversal happening, then goes below the short breakout, then you go for trending move. So the same thing for Bank Nifty also. So these levels you need to remember this and then trade accordingly in case of Nifty or Bank Nifty. So we'll try to add one more column on what is the strategies we can trade for intraday in the coming days. So today actually instead of all this panic, 77 stocks were hitting 50-week high and just one stock was 50-week low. As I told you in the 2-3 days back, most of the new traders are entering the market because of low margin and because of lockdown. That is the reason that we are seeing a lot of volatility in the market, and end of the day all these new traders are losing money only, nothing else. Okay, so because it needs a lot of training, practice. Even I know that some people because of lockdown who is working in a college, but some students are there with the pocket money, they started trading. I am requesting everybody to please avoid doing some adventure. Learn, you learn from anybody, okay, anybody, and then do proper trading, because as a doctor you need to spend 10-15 years of your time learning how to do a surgery. You cannot go and do surgery just reading some book or start your surgery on somebody without any knowledge. So similarly market, because you are going to play with your real money. In case you are losing money, then it is a big disaster. So you have seen lot of people is entering into tragedy. There is a trader also who you seen recently, 20 years trader who have done suicide. Okay, you saw his trade terminal showing $70,000 minus in negative, almost 5.5 crores. Okay, that is an error actually, system error. But the thing is that you have to just understand what you are doing before entering into trading venture. So index management is happening on daily basis as usual. Today the entire Nifty of 123 points was pulled down by bank stocks only. So every day one new thing happens. Yesterday Reliance was down and banks were up. Today banks are down, Reliance was up. So this is how index management happens. So this is a part and parcel of the market. So we cannot blame the market. They're telling now people are manipulating. These are all done by all big people. So poor traders are losing money. So this is how the market works. So we have to learn how the market works and then trade accordingly. So if you cannot blame as a professional trader, if you are blaming others means you are doing something wrong. Do not blame others and learn trading and do accordingly. And FIs are not having a big volumes in either long side or short side. Sometimes they are shorting 2000 contracts of futures, another day 3000 contracts they are adding. So they are not just playing in the market to before making a big move on either side. So just keep a tab on the FI market data which I post in Telegram channel. So this I have been telling the last 3 days also, market traveling in the view against the majority. So everybody was in the internet, social media, if you see everybody, media, analyst, everybody telling the bank nifty is going 23,000, 24,000. And now today's big move on the downside. Now everybody would have thought that bank nifty is not now going to reverse. So this also again they will do the trap. Okay, so today's move is exactly the testing of the breakout area. Okay, that's the point. If the breakout area is not holding and then we go down another tomorrow 500 points, something like that, and closed below 21,000, then we can think of some reversal is happening or bear market or trend reversal is happening on the short term. So till then we will just expect that this is just a testing of the breakout area. And as usual, the FOMO of investors, a lot of people think that they miss the rally and then want to enter at any cost. So this has to be completely avoided. Never chase the prices. Bank Nifty is exactly today the reversal happened at 100 EME, and Nifty is about to touch but not able to make it to 200 EME. I'm sure in July possible that they might touch something, but definitely the July results are the quarter results of June will be declared in the July, and definitely the results are going to be very, very bad. But it all depends on the media and analysts how they want to focus that. They might tell it is always better than estimates, or they will tell the figures are very, very bad, we never expected this much. So all is in their hands. So never think that the results are good or bad. It's all how they project the results. So coming to the VIX, today the VIX made some low, but again it shooted up actually. It came to near 30 levels. Always just keep a tab on this. Today the 31 levels, once it crosses, because of panic or the US market is moving down again by 1000 points, something happens, then the VIX might move up. So just keep a tab on this and don't make expectation that market will move up or move down and do trades. Just to see the levels, you have to see so many factors. You have to see the PCR, you have to see the option data, FA data, what and all, so many things are there. We'll try to make some list in the future and tell you how you do it. Currently just follow this power of 2 till you get a cover the moving average crossover of 20 moving average crossing about 200 moving average for any reversal of your short position. Till the time you can hold without any tension. Just see the figures, don't apply any logic or something, just see the simple strategy, follow that, it can give you good money. Coming to the implied volatility, Bank Nifty 21,400 put is the strike price, is the nearest strike price. And if you see here what happened yesterday, the call IV was very high. Now it is cooled down. Call IV has cooled down to 43.4. Now put IV has gone up to 15.4. So tomorrow market will reverse it being expiry day, and all the put IV will come down and call IV will go up. So this is how the market will do the reversal and try to capture the option price at very low prices. If you see 22,000 put today morning, it was around 140 rupees, 140, 150 rupees. It has touched low and it made a high of around 750 rupees. So people always try to capture the options at a very low price and sell at a higher price. So never ever, if you're buying option in Bank Nifty particularly, never buy a option that is pricing more than 200 rupees. Risk is just 200 rupees, you think, and you can buy. Otherwise never. Some people I know that they buy for 300 rupees, 400 rupees some option they buy and end up losing their money. Never buy option in case of Bank Nifty for more than 200 rupees. That is very important rule to remember. In case of Nifty also, the option price 50 to 70 is the optimum, and never buy pricing more than that. because the loss is limited. You just think loss is limited. As and when the time nears for expiry,
It's 7 o'clock.
the prices are going to fall very drastically. When you see profit, just book it. Don't delay that, because options are like ice. It is in summer, it is going to melt like anything. So when you see a profit, don't hesitate to take it. If you see in case of Nifty income strategy, we just booked 3000 profit. So when you see 3000 profit, don't think that it's just small amount. 3000, the total capital deployed is around 2.4 lakhs. Assume 3 lakhs. So 3000 as a percentage of 3 lakhs is 1%. When you make 1% per day, what's harm in it? Correct? So 1% per day means 20% per month. When Warren Buffett makes 22% per year, you make 20% per month means it's a great reward. So think that way, work like a businessman. When you see profit, just take it. It's not that we just leaving the profit. We'll see some more rules also in the Nifty income strategy, which is going to help you. In case of Nifty IV update, so call IV was almost around 23-24 levels, but put IV has gone up 32.7. So most of the times what happens, wherever the put IV goes, the next day it reverse it, or 1 or 2 days after they reverse it, the IV, so that they get a opposite one very low price. Okay, so based on this, that's the reason I told in the end of the day, the Telegram channel, I'm buying 21,500 at 170 rupees tomorrow. Tomorrow, if market gaps down again, then it's a different story. Then we'll have to come out at whatever price we have, or sell some 21,400 call, double the quantity, and then reduce the cost. Okay, so that's the way you have to manage this, because tomorrow morning itself the price will not become zero. It will take some time. A lot of volatile will be there. It's a contra trade. Okay, let us see how it comes. So coming to Nifty income strategy, as I told you, we booked around 3000 profit. See what happens that in the Nifty income strategy, we are not buying options, either call or put, to protect our positions, because we are constructing a short guts. Short guts means when you are selling in the money call, in the money put. When the market comes down, option pain, it is not like the day when we made lower circuit. That's not situation. The India VIX just less than 30 now. If the IV is started moving up to 40, 45, some panic is coming, then we will do something buying options to protect our position on the downside. So that is the reason that we are just doing the option strategy with just shorting the options only, and not buying options. So when the IV goes above 40 or something like that, then we can buy. And also yesterday I told you about the Heikin Ashi, where I told you that the green red bar, unless a red bar comes, then only we'll go for a reversal of the bullish positions. As of now, it is in the green only, so nothing to worry about that. Hope everybody knows about Heikin Ashi, how to work on it. Let me just show you also. So if you see the yesterday daily chart, so in the investing.com, you can go for the drop down and see Heikin Ashi candle. So Bank Nifty, you see here, still the green candle is there, is not red. So nothing to worry, the reversal is not happened as of now. So that's the time you have to be very cautious. Now the momentum is reducing, that's it. Coming to Nifty, see today new Bank Nifty, in spite of so much of fall, still it is in the green only. Okay, so once it turns red, when open equal to high, that's the time you have to be cautious on the downside. Till the time you can be very cool with your long positions, hedge your position. So nothing to worry about the positions. So in case of Nifty income strategy, so the link I am giving that YouTube channel below that itself, just go downside and see the link for the Excel file is available there. You can see the open positions. So total realized gain is around 36%, which is around 15%. Actually, it is wrong, 12%, 15% actually, and unrealized loss is 30,000. But the time value what we have is 78,000. So assume if you can capture 78,000, even 50,000 if you can capture, it becomes 86,000, which is almost double the 15%, means 25% we will be able to capture. So June month is still we have one week time, and we are able to capture 15% of the investment. Our target is 5% only. Okay, still we are almost 3 times of our investment return we captured. So the objective of the strategy should be that we capture the maximum time value. We are not trading in the futures, we are trading the options. In the options strategy, the main thing, your objective should be to capture the time value. That's very important. So maybe like in the weekend we'll try to make one video on what is the option pain, what is the time value, something like that. Educational video we'll try to create one video in the weekends. So till the time you can do some research in the internet and find out the what is the time value and all. So the payoff chart is like this as of now. If you see the payoff chart, I told you that all the time you have to ensure that you are in the green, inside the green only. When you are trying to go outside, then you try to shift your positions. Yesterday it was like outside the border area, then we made adjustment to bring it to the center. So currently the dotted line, what you see is the position, current position. When the time passes by, keep moving inside this area, you will be in profit. So this always, when you're doing trading in the options, Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever, do with strategy. You're doing intraday, then deploying big amount of money is not possible without a strategy. If you are doing with strategy, like there are certain people who buy options in big quantity, then let them do it, no problem. But if you are not able to do it, you have to do with a strategy only. Strategy, do it, and how to protect your positions. See what is the risk, the downside. If you see here around 9,600, that's the time you'll make loss. And similarly on the upside around 10,000 and 11,000 levels will make loss. So by the time they starts moving, then you can buy options, weekly options, and protect your positions. So we have enough time. It's not that time like when Nifty or Bank Nifty made a lower circuit. Okay, so that's the reason you always keep a tab of the India VIX. When it crosses 40, then we have to exit the strategy, or we have to buy put option or call option. Depends on the movement of the IV. So okay, coming to the new people who want to enter the Nifty income strategy. So what they can do is see the bottom place where the protection, the support is there, what is the resistance is there. Now we have resistance at 10,500 and support at around 10,000 levels. So what we can do is now the position for us, what we have is 9,800 as the call short, we have one position. So somebody want to take a position, they can take 10,200 short straddle and 10,400 short straddle. So this one they can enter the position with one lot, one lot, or they can take 10,200 call short and 10,400 put short gut. Okay, because the movement is very high. So you want to protect yourself means then you have to have some cushion. By doing this short guts, you can have protection of movement. When 10,400 comes down very fast, when the price are going up, 10,200 call is there to protect you, because you don't have protection of option buying. That's the reason we are going for short guts. Okay, so we will I said told you like something new we want to learn every day. So today we will try to learn about something called Balantiran market cycle. So I'm not sure how many of you are aware of this Balantiran market cycle. This is a UK mathematician, Kerry Balantiran, who has found this study. Okay, he is a mathematician and he has discovered this market cycle. He is saying that total 35 years almost is the total cycle of the market, the bull market, bear market as there. So the left side you can see how the bull market, bear market were happening in the last 100 years from 1900 till 2000. So you can just go through this, how it comes. The 4.5 years of bull market, then bear market, bull market, secular bull market starts. So currently we are in this cycle starting from 2000 till 2100. Now what happens is here, now currently we are in this cycle 4.4 years of bull market, ending in 2022. Now after the 2023 is a time when we can top out. From 2023 to 2024, 2.2 years is going to be a bear market. After that is going to be bullish market starting from 2024 till 2035. 4.5 years, 8.8, almost 10-11 years of bull market is going to be till 2035. Okay, after that we are going to see a majority of the period in bear market. Okay, just keep a note of this. You can see the book, the cover page also I mentioned here. You can go through this book. It's just 102 pages of book. You can go through that, very interesting. It contains about commodity cycles also mentioned, business cycles it is given also. There is one table also is given to you, and where it tells you like how the market top happens and what are the years market bottom is happening, when you can sell and when you can buy. So currently we are in this secular bull market where you can look for exiting your longs in 2023 and entering in 2025. I told about the goal for 10 crores. So it's a good time that you enter in the market now with your mutual fund investments in by 2023 or 2025. That's the time, it's a golden period, and it's going to be a good return for the next almost 10 years of time. It's going to be big bull run happening in the next 10 years starting from 2025. Okay, just go through this, do your own research also, don't just believe what I'm telling. This is a study made by a mathematician, and it is a renowned mathematician. Just go through that, do your own analysis, do the investment. Don't do anything blindly just because I told something or something is there. So you also go through your analysis, and I'm sure it's going to be bringing you good benefit to you. I'm sure you are enjoying the things what I'm teaching you also. We'll be keep teaching you something new, whatever I can do possible in this video. So best of luck, keep learning, give your comments what you're learning, and appreciate your comments so that it boosts me a lot and to give you new learnings every day. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you benefit. And regarding this nifty income strategy, keep your updates on give your updates on what you learned, any doubts on you mentioned. I'll try to give my feedback. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.